welcome back to my channel and into my home. So for those of y'all that are new, my name is Denise Marie and I am very excited because this video is going to be a Instapot recipe video. I'm also excited because this video is in collaboration and it is hosted by Giselle. She was lovely enough to invite me along with lots of other lovely YouTubers, and we will all be bringing you lots of inspiration with our Mexican recipes. So I hope that you definitely get some inspiration with my video, and don't forget to click the link in the description box after you're done watching my video to make sure and go and get more recipe inspiration. So let's go ahead and get started. So in this video, we're gonna start by adding several cloves of garlic. And also we're going to be chopping up half an onion. I have to give my husband a lot of credit because he did help me with the chopping of the onion, as you can see, and the chopping of the garlic. Like I mentioned before, this is his grandmother's recipe, and I was very fortunate that she was able to share with me. And so we have made this recipe a couple of times before, but this is our first time making this recipe in the Instapot, which we were super excited to try. So now that we're done with chopping up the garlic and the onion, we're going to add it into my 8-quart Instapot here. The menudo, just so you know, was purchased from H-E-B, and H-E-B had already rinsed it and chopped it up very well. We did go ahead and give it another rinse just for good measure. And so we're just, we've already placed it here in the Instapot along with the onion and the garlic. So we're going to go ahead and start adding up all of our other ingredients here. Also, just for reference, we are cooking 3 pounds of menudo. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our comino, our salt, tomato sauce, that's a little trick that his grandmother used to use, Mexican oregano, and our menudo mix here. Just 1 bag menudo mix is what we're going to use. And then we're going to add 1 bay leaf as well. So one of the last things that I will be adding is the bay leaf, and then I did fill up a pitcher of water and added enough water. I don't know exactly how many cups it was, but it was enough to fill up to the top line of my 8-quart Instapot here. And I will tell you that I do wish I would have added a little bit less. Like, I would have gone to the line right underneath the max line. I don't know what that line measures at, but I would advise going just a little bit less because I think it was a little too much water. Regardless, this menudo did come out really good, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and give everything a nice stir here. So now I'm going to put the menudo to cook, and I'm going to cook this on high on the pressure cooker setting, and we're gonna start off at 45 minutes. All right, so now that that is done cooking, we're gonna go ahead and check this out and see how good it looks. I'm super excited. It has been cooking for 15 minutes, but we did cook it for it was cooking for 45 minutes. We did cook it for an additional 15 minutes, just so you know. Okay, so now that it's done cooking for a total of 60 minutes, we are going to head and push the release button to let all that extra steam out. And once we're done letting all of that out, we're going to now add in our hominy, which I'm super excited because we're getting to the end here. Okay, so now that I've added my hominy, we're gonna go ahead and saute this on high for 15 more minutes, and then we should be done. All right, so now for the best part, the taste test. We do add a little bit of Savoya and a little bit of lemon. It is a personal preference, but this is what we love. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I hope that I brought you some inspiration, and I hope that you go and watch all the other lovely ladies. Don't forget to click the button down below in the subscription box to watch all their recipes. And thank you so much for Giselle and all the other ladies for doing this collab with me, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.